How's it going, you guys? Welcome back for another video. In today's session, I'm going to be talking about how we managed to catch over 135 pips trading EU, right? EU or USD. Yet again, if you're new to this channel, I'm a full-time day trader and I'm also a mentor as well. So I'm currently teaching over 40 mentees right now. And, every time I place a trade, I also call it into the group chat for the team to actually take the trade as well, right? So I'll show it to you guys real quick. Right, this is the Telegram group. I literally sent the signal yesterday, right? Sell EU at the 50% retracement, and also I call the sell limit at the 61.8% retracement, and both entries are currently in profit for a total of 135 pips, right? So I'm currently still in the trade. My mentees are currently still in the trade as well. We took a small loss minus 7 pips, but look how many pips are currently up right now, 135 pips, right? So this is the signal group, this is the discussion group. The whole team is going crazy, right? We are pretty good right now. Let me show you guys right now. One of the, this guy's up 322. This guy's up almost 2K in his account. So it's a good morning so far, right? So it's a beautiful morning. It's Friday, April 5th. So we're definitely ending the week in positive, right? So I'll be doing the live analysis. Hopefully you guys learn a thing or two. And if you guys are getting started, I'll be a beginner's guide in the description below. You can go through it on your own, study on your own. I have a little PDF files there, I have videos there. I even have videos on how to set up your accounts, the apps that you need to download, like audiobooks and all the good stuff, right? So if you want to do it on your own, you can definitely do it as well. You do it, some people feel more comfortable having a mentor, right? To show them, to teach them how to trade and to also copy their trade. But if you feel like, you just want to start on your own, you're more than welcome to go to the beginner's guide and do it on your own, right? So with that being said, just dive right into the analysis, right? So let me share the screen again. So first thing first, I will start my analysis on the time frame. The whole group chat is going crazy right now. Let me close it. I'll start my analysis on the higher time frame, right? I go into the monthly time frame, where I'm just going to place my key levels, right? I'm going to place a support, right? So I know every time the market comes back to 1.05469, it bounces all the way up. And then I'm going to place key level up there as well, right? There we go. Right, that's pretty much all I do on a monthly time frame. I just place the major key levels, right? So now I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame, right? I'm going to zoom in, and I'm also going to add some key levels as well. As you can see, there's a good support level right here. This is where our final TP is at. Um, then I'm also going to place a solid one up there as well, right? This is where we actually got in for the sale at the 61.8% fib retracement. So that's the weekly, that's monthly, right? So first thing you can look at on the left side, the whole team is going crazy. On the left side, you can see the market was trending up, right? And then it finally got out of the uptrend. Now it is currently trending down, right? So now I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Always start your analysis on the higher time frame and just work your way down onto the lower time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, this is where you should pay the most attention to, right? So first thing you got to do is you have to identify the trend, right? Is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend, right? So if it is an uptrend, make sure you're looking for buys only, right? So I don't count a trade, right? If it's a downtrend, make sure you're looking for sales only, right? So as you can see, the market is currently trending down, right? Giving us structure. We got the high right here. And this is how I managed to call the trade, right? So we got the high right here. And also we have the high low right here, right? And then all I did was place my fib retracement level, right? Place the fib from the high right here to the low, right? And then we place the first entry at the 50%. And as soon as and then we place the second entry at the 61.8% level, right? So that's pretty much what we did to get on this trade. We got the high, we got the low, and and we got the um we got the high low again, right? So which is a good indication that the market is going to keep going down, right? So that's pretty much what I did on that. That's pretty much what I did to call the trade for the team, and we're currently in profit right now, right? The market is bearish, you look for sales only, right? So you see the market was trending up, guess what happened, right? The market was trending up, touch up, touch up, touch up, right? Finally broke below the uptrend. We tested it right here, and since then it's been dropping. Before you guys place a trade, I want you guys to at least look for three confluences or more, right? So the first confluence is you have to identify the trend. Is it bearish or is it bullish? You know, in this case, EU is bearish, so that means I'm just waiting for the next structure to be created so I can get into the trade, right? So you see the market was bullish, right? And then finally broke below the downtrend. We tested it. That's the first confluence that the market is bearish, right? The second confluence you can use is you can use the market structure, right? So the market give you a high, drop, went above to give you a higher low, drop, and went above again to give another higher low, right? So, and then that's the second confluence, right? The third confluence, you can grab your Fibonacci retracement level, replace it from here, from the high to the low, and then this is where you get in at the 50%. You can add one entry at the 61.8%. That's when that'll be the best entry you can add at the 61.8%, right? So currently up about 158 on my personal account, and then I'll be aiming to make $500 on my personal account when the final TP actually hit. And then if I switch to my instant funding account, which is a prop firm, I'm currently up about, in total, I'm up $500 between the instant funding and the personal account. Let me check my FTMO on my phone and see how much I'm up right now. And then on my FTMO account, I'm currently up, I got in at 2.0 lot size, 100 pips. I'm currently up 2K. So pretty much is I'm up 2.5K for the day, right? $500 on my instant. At the end in total, right? I'm aiming to make $500 on my personal, $500 on my personal, about 1K on my instant funding, and about 3.5K on my FTMO funded account, right? So I'll be aiming to make a decent close to 5K in total, right? Of that trade, right? So that's that. Let me go back to the analysis real quick. This is just for motivation, guys. I always tell people to just focus on the skill set, the money will come, right? My first year of trading was terrible. I lost a lot of money, right? This is my fourth year, right? So it took me about 3 years and some change to finally quit my job and trade full time, right? So this is not like overnight of success, right? So yet again, make sure you start your analysis from the higher time frame, right? And then you work your way down monthly, weekly, daily, create on a daily time frame. I know the market is bearish, so I'll be looking for sales only. All I do is wait for the next structure to be created, right? Which is the direct. I've been checking my screen right now. Let me see. Yeah, I am. So all I did was to wait for the next structure to be created. The whole team is going crazy. Everybody's in profit. I did was to wait for the next structure to be created, right? At the higher low right here, right? And then I called the trade, kind of at the 50%, placed for best interest at the 61.8%. And the market actually came close to a stop loss and then it dropped, right? So that's pretty much how I trade, guys. Very easy. And if you go into the H4 time frame as well, you can see the market slightly went above the 61.8%. As soon as I saw that bearish engulfing, right? And then I knew for a fact that he was going to keep dropping, right? So obviously NFP also helped as well, right? NFP also pushed the market down, which is really good for us, but that's pretty much why I trade. Very easy. If you're a complete beginner, you probably kind of lost, right? But yet again, I have a beginner's guide in the description below. Also, I have like plenty of other videos on YouTube on for beginners as well, right? So how to place your resistance level, how to place your trend line. That's pretty much it. Very easy trade that I called on EU. I was being very patient, right? I know for a fact EU is bearish, right? EU is trending down, it is bearish, right? And the market give me the high, give me the higher low. So all I did was waiting for the next higher low to be created. And funny thing is, if you guys watch my previous videos, we also caught that move on EU as well, right? We sold EU a few weeks ago here and we made money all the way down there. And then after that we got out and we just placed off it from the previous structure, from the previous higher low to the most recent low down there. And we just wait for the fib retracement to come between 50% level right here and 61.8% level. And we got it and we're currently in profit, right? So I'll keep you guys updated at the end of the video. I'll probably post the final results, but I'll be aiming to make about 5K in total, right? $500 for my personal, for one, slightly over 1K on my instant funding prop firm account, and then 3.5K on my FTMO funded account as well, right? So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys learned a thing or two in this session. If you guys want me to go over the Fibonacci retracement and trend lines and support and resistance, I'll probably make some videos about it, right? So just let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see. But yet again, I know some people on YouTube, they be posting their results, right? They don't be showing you guys how they got in the trade, and and they probably not even be trading on a real live account, right? So as you guys can see, this is a real live account. I always post my results. And I'll definitely be posting my losses as well, because trading is not about just winning. You'll be taking losses as well, right? So this is a real account from ACAP. That's a broker that I use. They are regulated, right? That's why I use them. So ain't no funny business going to happen with them, right? Um, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Yet again, trading, my trading strategy is all about waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for the setup to come to me, right? So if the setup doesn't come to me, I'm not going to take the trade, right? And also counter trading, I would not advise anyone to counter trade, right? What I mean by counter trade is, if the market, you see the market is bearish, right? So that means sellers are in control, right? So, and then you'll be buying, that means you're going against the trend, right? I used to go against the trend. That's why I lost so much money in my early days of trading. But the minute I stopped counter trading, that's when I started to become a profitable trader, right? So make sure you guys don't counter trade. I know it's easier said than done. It took me over a year to actually get it out of my system, but counter trading is really not it. So but thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.